Hello dear friend, today in this video I will discuss about Fiverr. In this video I will cover three major topics. What is Fiverr, how to create a Fiverr account, and how can I earn from Fiverr. So these three topics are very important for every beginners or every person who work on Fiverr. So this video is very hope helpful for you, and you will get enough knowledge from this. So let's start the video. Before starting video, I will request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and share my videos to your friends and families, and do comments on my videos and like also. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to write what is Fiverr and press the search icon. So after pressing on the top of the search bar, you have a website link. The world largest marketplace for digital services offer both buyers and sellers a digitally streamlined transactions platform. Basically, Fiverr is a marketplace, digitally marketplace service. You can sell your products or buy products digitally from any the website on Fiverr. So you have one requirement. You have to open the Fiverr platform, and if you want to start sell on it, so first of all you have to create an account on Fiverr. So if you want to buy from Fiverr, so Fiverr also gives you a account of seller buyers. So you have required buyer accounts for. So for this you have to transact your payment through Fiverr to collect your products. So you have also a transaction procedure also required for the Fiverr. So this is little bit information about the Fiverr. Hope so you learn about basic knowledge of Fiverr. So I will cover the next video, next topic, how to create a Fiverr account. So you have to search on, scroll down and open a official Fiverr account, Fiverr website. So you have to open it and wait for the account and profile. You have to go on the section account and profile. Then you have to open this and go to Fiverr, sign in or sign up. You have to firstly sign up from your Gmail account, Facebook account, or your email. So first of all you have to open, you need Apple or Google account or Fiverr, Facebook account. So these three links you can create an Fiverr account. So the next procedure is to continue, and continue after it will give you some questions about you, like your birthday, your Gmail, your Cynic account, and then so on, and then on the last you finished your account. So this is a little bit information about the Fiverr. So the next topic is how to make money on a Fiverr using Fiverr. So how money make, it's totally up to you. You can work as much as you want. Many sellers work on Fiverr full time, and some keep their 9 to 5 jobs while Fiverr to make money extra. So these totally depending on you, how you can earn and how you can work on Fiverr. So these are depending on you. Hope this video is helpful for you. I will meet you in the next video. Tata, bye bye.